Dear students, first of all, my introduction. I am Mahesh Jha, the social science teacher of SNPS Balwabazar. I have taught you the first part of this chapter in previous days. I have given you a number of questions as your homework. Now the present topics of today is the human-made resources. Those resources which are formed by human beings are known as human-made resources. Human beings are recognized as the best resources on the earth because human beings develop technology and create institutions. Human beings have skilled to develop technology, and with the help of technology they create institutions, and with the help of technology and institutions they interact with nature, convert natural materials into natural product. This is the process of functions of human beings being as an resources. Human beings have a skill, and on the basis of skills they develop technology, and with the help of technology they create institutions, and with the help of technology and institutions they interact with nature, convert natural materials into natural useful products. These products are helpful to fulfill the needs of human beings, so they are recognized as the best resources on the earth. Now, how can you define the human resources? There are large population in a country. As for example, our country has large population, but among them, which type of human beings or people can considered as the resources? Dear students, the people in a country which are involved in various professions are known as human resources. These people are completely professionals. They have knowledge, they have skill, due to which they develop various types of technology, and technology is used to create institutions. They contribute in the development of country. They are very beneficial not only for society, they are beneficial for its own family. They are beneficial for the development of a country. Without these human resources, we cannot imagine the development, because the developmental activities completely depends on human resources. So, these resources are considered as the best resources on the earth. Another question, the very crucial question is the conservation of resources. Why do we need to conserve resources? Dear students, there are two important parts of resources. They are potential resources and actual resources. Potential resources. Potential resources at present is not being used on large scale due to the lack of technology. Our nature is full of potential like wind energy, solar energy, water energy, and several other things that are present on large scale, but they cannot be used on large scale at present time due to the lack of technology. But these resources, potential resources, are beneficial for our future generation. When after the development of technology, these potential resources will be used on large scale for the development. Wind energy, solar energy, water energy, and biofuel. Second, the actual resources. Actual resources. Actual resources are those resources which are present in limited quantity on the earth. Their quality and quantity has been determined, but they are present in a limited quantity. They can be exhausted. If we don't use these resources judiciously or carefully according to our needs, they can be exhausted and they take millions of years to form again. That is why it is essential to use actual resources very judiciously and carefully. If we use these resources perfectly, carefully, and according to our use and avoid the misuse of resources, is known as the conservation of resources. Now, second term of this topic is sustainable development. What do you mean by sustainable development? The development which is done without the damaging of environment, use in limited quantity according to our needs, and preserve them for our future generation is known as sustainable development. This is the last topics of this chapter, and it means I have completed this chapter, and I will provide you several questions as homework to you perfectly tomorrow, and it is needed to you that you have to revise these chapters very carefully, and you will solve the questions that can be provided by me. Thank you.